everyone, I'm back with another Amazon finds video. Today is a pretty interesting product. This is a dust cleaning gel. I've seen this in the past before and I've wanted to try it. I completely forgot about it, but then I came across it the other day just randomly searching for something on Amazon. I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna try it. I have just the car to try it with today. Well, I think I'm gonna attempt with one car, but if that one doesn't work, which most likely it won't, I know just the truck that this will work with. So this one is pretty straightforward, pretty easy to use. Again, like I said, it's just a cleansing gel, which let's open it together. Just comes in this little plastic container. Oh, it looks like goo or slime or something like that. Looks pretty cool. So pretty much you get this whole thing out of here and then you're going to use it to clean inside your car. So like air vents or like the center console, or like pretty hard. Oh, it feels weird. It feels cold and slimy. It kind of leaves your fingers and your hand, oh, sticky and kind of like a little blue tint to it. But either way, so the point of this is that you use this on your center console or your air vents or like any hard to reach places where I guess you can just use a brush. But if you don't want to, if you want to experiment with new things, then this is it. So I have my Shelby here. Let's try it inside. Let's find an area to try it inside and see if it works or not. Okay, so like I said, it's pretty simple to use, but I did forget. It did say you have to knead it for like a few minutes, which I'll do in a little bit, but it feels weird. Like I said, it feels a little bit cold, but I don't know why this reminds me, very random thought, if you can like gelify like dog throw up, I feel like this is what it would be like. It kind of has like the weight to it, and I don't know, it's so weird, and it smells like cheap. It smells like cheap car cologne. I don't know, it's weird, but anyways, so let's knead it. It feels like, I don't know, it'll probably be, it kind of feels like it's going to leave you some liquid on your hands, but it doesn't. It does leave it a little bit sticky and a little bit of a tint to it. But even though this is weird, it's kind of cool. Like I said, this is probably not the best car because it's not really dirty. I mean, it's not, you know, detailed clean, but it's not that dusty. But I do want to see something. So we can see that this is dry, since this kind of leaves my hands a little bit sticky. I want to know if this is going to feel sticky after, but let's go ahead and try it. So I feel like you would just pass it in just weird crevices, which I feel like this area would probably be a good area to throw this with. Well, to try this on, since not many things can fit there. So no, it's not leaving it sticky at all. It's still dry. So I do like how you can mold it around any area that you're trying to clean. That's pretty cool. I feel like that comes in really handy, and it doesn't separate. So it's still one. Oh look, it did pick up something. The Shelby was clearly not the best car to try this cleaning gel on, but, well, just because, like I said, it's not that dirty, it's not detailed, you know, don't come for me, but it's just not that dirty. But the Raptor, that truck is really dirty inside. It's really dusty. That is the dog truck. That's where we move the dogs. So it has, again, a lot of dog hair. So I feel like this is going to be perfect there. So let's go try it in the Raptor and see if it actually does work. The Raptor is night and day compared to the Shelby. It has lots of dust and some dog hair all throughout this area, like the center console. So the vents, we'll test it. I think this is gonna be a perfect place. I just don't know if this is enough to clean something like a huge area like the Raptor, but let's see. So let's go ahead and try it out. Okay, all of this like almost every area is filled with dust. So I'm just gonna start by rolling it everywhere. You know, I could see the huge difference there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that made a huge difference. And I do see that this picked up not much because that wasn't such a big area, but it did pick up a few things. Continuing to the top, so you can see it's very dusty and it does have quite a bit of dog hair. So again, just the same motion, just rolling it. I feel like you can do this any way you want to. I do see it picking up some dust, but it's not picking up everything. I feel like it's, you know, I think it is picking up the dust, but it's just leaving the dog hair or like some lint on there. But you can see the difference from before and after, and I can notice it from this area to this area to the right, that the other one is cleaner. So let me just start here again. Again, just rolling it all over, and yeah, I can see it picking up. It's just not doing like 100%. This is a very weird item. It didn't advertise, it didn't say anything about dog hair, so it did pick up some, not much of it. So again, I didn't expect it to work for that, but I guess for something that's under $10, something that's cool, and I guess you can do this with like just cleaning products, a sponge, a microfiber towel, a brush, whatever it is that you use. If you want to try something new, and it's something that I feel like this is the most useful for little crevices, little tiny areas, this would work. And again, for the price, I feel like you should at least try it and then decide for yourself. So again, I thought this was pretty cool. I'm impressed for like what it is and the price. Again, in the Shelby, it didn't really have that much dust inside. The Raptor, I feel like it had a little too much dust inside, because this car, to be honest, it rarely gets clean, just because, I mean, what is the point? I know a lot of you are gonna tell me, but it's the dog car. It's just gonna keep getting dirty. But either way, I feel like this would probably work more for like a maintenance thing. So when that dust has been there, settled for a long time, for a short period of time. And again, the only thing that I question with this is that how long will this last? So once this is dirty and filled with a lot of dirt and dust, I mean, I guess you can't question it with the price being under $10, but I guess this is like a not one-time use, but like a several, depends on how much dust, how much dirt, how often you're gonna use it kind of use. But either way, I feel like it's cool to try it. Let me know if you guys have used this before, or if you plan on using it. I'm curious. Just because I've seen it a long time ago, but again, I forgot, I saw it and I'm like, you know what, let me try it. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one.